everyone, my name is Hannah Jean Kiogalino, and for today's video, we're going to tackling about to represent real life situations and solve problems involving real numbers. So before we start, here are our goals, which is at the end of this lesson, you will be able to give an example of real life situation involving real numbers and realize the importance of real numbers in solving problems in real life situation. And lastly, solve real life problems involving real number. So where do we use numbers in real life? Exactly. Numbers are everywhere. We use numbers in almost every part of our life. Anytime we measure, count, and compare or calculating. Now, first, let's define what are real numbers. Real numbers is any number that can be found in the number line and is also a combination of rational and irrational numbers such as 1/2, 4, 1.56, 0, or negative 3. So how to solve real life problems involving real numbers? So here's the steps in solving real life problems involving real numbers. Step 1 is to understand the problem. Step 2 is to identify the given information. Step 3 is to choose the operation. And step 4 is to solve step by step. And step 5 is to write the final answer. And step 6, check your answer if it is correct. Let's have an example. So let's solve this real life problem step by step. So a village has 256 residents. Each family has 4 members. Each evacuation center can hold 8 families. First, we find the numbers of families. So let's divide 256 divide 4, that total 64 families. So next, let's we find how many evacuation center are needed. So 64 divided 8 is equal to 8. So 8 evacuation centers are needed to be built. So here's another example. You went to the school canteen during recess. You have 50 pesos in your pocket. You saw your favorite snack that cost 32.50 pesos, so you decided to buy it. After paying, you check your remaining money. So the question is, how much money do you have left? So here's the solution. You subtract your initial money, which is your 50 pesos, to the cost of your snack, which is the 32.50. Then it is equal to 17.50, which means that it is your remaining money. So here's another example. A group of friends is having a small celebration. They buy one whole box of pizza. The pizza is cut into 8 equal slices so that it can be shared fairly among everyone. There are 8 people in the group, and they decide to share the pizza equally. So the question, what is the measure of each slice of pizza in relation to the whole pizza? So here's the solution for that. You divide the one whole pizza to the number of equal parts, which is 8, then it is equal to measure of one slice. So 1 divided 8 is equal to 0.1.25. So convert it into fraction. So it total into 1/8. So 1/8 is the measure of each slice of pizza in relation to the whole pizza. Now it's your turn to solve real life problems. Here's the problem 1. A company building has 18 floors. The CEO made an order that each floor must have exactly 13 employees. How many employees do they need if they already have 32 employees, including the CEO? Now I'm giving you 2 minutes to answer this problem. Okay, time's up. To check your answer if it is correct, so here's the solution for that. A company building has 18 floors. The CEO made an order that each floor must have exactly 13 employees. How many employees do they need if they already have 32 employees, including the CEO? So you can see 202 required employees are needed even though they had already 32 employees, including the CEO. Okay, let's proceed to problem number 2. There are 7 packs of fruit juice in a box. How many boxes of fruit juice will be needed if 35 people are attending the party, with each person receiving 5 packs of fruit juice? So to answer this question or problem, you will be given 2 minutes to answer this. Okay, thank you. Here's the solution. And answer for the second problem. The question is how many boxes of fruit juice will be needed if 35 people are attending the party? So the answer is 25 boxes. 35 people times 5 packs is equal to 175. So 175 is divided into 5, which is the packs of fruit juice, and it is total to 25 boxes. So 25 boxes will needed in the party. Okay, so now if you got the correct answer of the two problem, you did a great job. You did an amazing work solving the problem step by step. You were able to understand the situation, use the right operation, and arrive at the correct answer. To master your solving skills, here's a practice activity. You will answer 4 problems to help you improve and become more confident in solving real life situations. Take your time and think carefully and enjoy solving. And that's how we solve real life problems involving real numbers. Remember, we follow the steps: understand, identify, solve, and check. Real numbers are everywhere. You can use them every day when buying food, measuring things, or even checking the weather. Great job for learning with me today. That's all. Thank you and good luck, and keep practicing math every day.